Journey of Google Ads, Wins and Losses. At this moment, there are many potential customers which are searching on Google for the products and services that you offer. Making a Google search campaign can help them find you when they need you the most. In this module, you will learn what a Google search campaign is, how to make one, what are the properties that goes into a Google search campaign so that you can get your ads in front of the customers at the right moment. Towards the end of this section, we will look into a high-performing campaign that is winning in Google Ads. We will see how that campaign is structured with the different properties of Google Ads so that you can see how it works. Let's get started. Importance of search. Every day, there are about 1 billion searches made on Google search. Everywhere, people are searching for information. Whenever they want to know something or to buy something or to go somewhere or to do something, Google search is always their first stop. Google's mission is to organize all of this available information and make it accessible for everyone at the right time. Among that, this provides a very good opportunity for people to convert those intentions into profitable businesses. Hence, translate the user intent into a business result. Now, to set up a high-performing search campaign, there are a few questions that you need to ask yourself to think of the different ways that will drive more traffic to your landing page, service, or product. Where do you want your ads to be seen? Are they being placed on the top of the page, or are they going to be placed at the bottom of the page? Or maybe they will be placed on some other website. How much do you want to invest in Google Ads? What is your budget? How much are you willing to go so that your ads can reach the customers? What do you want to share in your ads? And lastly, what keywords will match your customers' search terms? When you think of all of these answers, you will then be in a better position to know how you want to set up your search campaign. And so we will then go ahead and begin with setting it up. So go ahead and take a few minutes and write down the answers, either type them or scribble them down. When you think about all of these answers, you will then be in a better position to know what you want out of Google search and how you want your search campaign to be placed. So then we can go ahead and set it up more easily. In this journey, you will look into the different properties of Google search ads and you will get to know about them and how these settings and properties play an important role in search ads. Once we are done with this journey, I will then go ahead and go through a high-performing campaign with all of the properties that I'm about to show you so you can understand it way better. The first one is the campaign. Campaigns are created around a set marketing goal and what actions you want the customers to take. The marketing goal that you set will be the main pillar and the base of the campaign. Setting the campaign goal will either be in sales, leads, or website traffic. It will depend upon the different aspects of what you are looking for in Google Ads. Once you have set up a campaign with the marketing goal, the next step is to select the Google network. The Google network is where your ads will be displayed. There are 2 Google networks that you can choose from, the Google Search Network and the Google Display Network. It will be based on the campaign that you select. For example, if you select the Google Search Network, your ads will be displayed on the Google search sites. In addition to the search sites, it can also be played on the Google Play, Google Shopping, and the Google Maps. Your ads can also appear on non-Google search sites like CNN that partner with Google to show their ads. These are called search partners. You can also have the opportunity to expand into the Google Display Network. In the Google Display Network, your ads will be displayed on sites which are partnered with Google. Once you have selected the proper network, you now have to select which devices your ads will be shown. There are 3 devices that you can choose from. There are the desktop, the tablet, and the mobile. You can also choose to customize your ads on the different devices. The geographical location and languages are where your Google ads will be shown. Your campaign ads are eligible to show where your customers are located or who show interest in that geographical location. So you can select a city, a state, or a country and have your ads be displayed in only that selection. Language targeting will then allow you to restrict your ads so that they can appear based on the user's language settings and the language of the website that you set it for. Bidding and budget. Your bidding strategy controls how much you are willing to pay for the users to interact with your ads. Once you choose the metric that you would like to focus the campaign on, you will then see a set of different bidding options to help you optimize that bidding strategy. You can choose either to manually set your bids, or to maximize your clicks, or to have an acquisition goal that Google Ads will then automatically or manually set for your campaign. There are many options to choose from, and you can always change them at any time. Your budget, on the other hand, is the average amount that you're comfortable paying each day on your campaign. The budget you choose is entirely up to what you want to pay each day, and you can adjust it at any time. It is the daily payment that Google Ads will take to run your ads. To get the right customers to see your ads, you will need to mess around with a few more customizations and properties in Google Ads. The next one is to add ad groups. In each ad group, you create a list of responsive text ads. You can only have up to 3 in an ad group. Along with that, you also need to create a list of search keywords. It is the list of words and phrases that will prompt the ads to show up on the Google search. The best way to create ad groups is to base them around similar themes or products. You can plan out multiple ad groups, and each ad group can have a specific theme with their respective keywords. You can then differentiate from other ad groups that you will create. By going on this level, the different themed ad groups with different ads will give you more control over the right ad message to the right customer. Once you have created different ad groups with different keywords and their respective responsive ads, only 3 ads per ad group, you can then finalize and review them. Make sure you go through all of those ads, keywords, and ad groups and correct any mistakes of overlapping ideas or themes. Once you are comfortable with your campaign, you are then ready to go ahead and publish them to Google Search. To excel in a Google Ads campaign, there are a couple more search campaign settings that you can set for your campaign to stand out and perform better than the rest. You can set ad extensions for your ad campaign. Ad extensions will help you include more information with your ads, such as location information, links to specific pages on your website, and even include your phone number. This can be great for businesses that deliver services on the go and can easily be called. Start and end dates. This setting places the campaign into a start and end date format. This can be used for a variety of purposes. For example, you might be having a discount promotion for your services in your business, and you can set a start and end date for your ads to reflect those promotion dates. And finally, the last setting is the ad schedule. Ad schedule allows you to choose certain days or hours of the week for your ads to show. This can help reduce your budget since your ad isn't running all the time, and also help aim your ads at the right customer searching at the right time. An example of this is, let's suppose your potential customers are usually searching for your service at 5 p.m. on Mondays and Tuesdays. So you can set your ad to be run on Mondays and Tuesdays from 4 to 6 p.m. The ads will then run on the set schedule, and those potential customers can see your ads in their searches. This is a journey of Google Search Ads. There are many more settings that you can mess around with and alter your ads, but these are the basics for what you need in your Google Search ad. We will jump into a campaign that is already high performing, and I will show you these 13 steps in action. Here we are in a Google Ads account for a junk removal business. This account has a junk removal campaign that is presented right here. We will go through the Google Search Ads journey and view all the properties in this campaign. Let's begin. When you go into the settings of the campaign, you will see the goal has been set for a specific goal, which is conversion. The second thing in the Google Ads search journey is the network. This campaign is set to the Google Search Network. Now for devices, I will go ahead and click on Show More and click on Devices, and you can see the adjustment that is set for the devices. Here the targeting for mobile phones is set as -7%, while the tablets is set as -25%. Next in the journey is the location and languages. So I will click on locations, and you can see these are the locations that the campaign is targeting. The language of this Google Ads campaign is set to English. For the bidding and budget, we will go back into the settings tab. And here we will see two options, which is the budget and the bidding. The budget for this junk removal campaign is set as $350 per day, while the bidding is set as maximize conversions, while the target CPA is set as $50.05 per client acquisition goal. For ad groups, we can see all the different kind of ad groups which are present in this campaign. Here the ad groups are of different services which are provided by this junk removal business. Clicking onto any ad group, we will automatically be placed inside the ad group into the Search Keywords tab. Here we can see all the keywords that the client is using for this ad group. These keywords and search phrases are basically targeting in Google search for this ad. When we want to see the ads which are in this ad group, we will click on Ads and Extensions. Here are all the ads which are present in this ad group. If you click on any other ad group, you will see the different ads which are present in that ad group. And similarly, when I click on keywords, I can see all the different keywords and phrases which are present in that respective ad group. Finally, for ad extensions, we can click on Ads and Extensions again, and then click on Extensions. And here are all the extensions which are being used by this campaign. The client is using a location extension. The client is using a call extension for all the calls. The client is also using structured snippet extension, the callout extension, and the site link extensions. The start and the end date can be found back in the campaign settings. First, I need to click on the junk removal campaign name and then click on settings. The start date of this campaign was October 23rd, 2019. The end date is not set, so this campaign can be run multiple times. When I click on the ad schedule, I can see what is the ad schedule that is being set for this campaign. Here you can see the campaign is scheduled for all of the days from 8 to 8. So 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. This is when the ads will be run and shown to the customers searching in Google search. This is the journey of the Google search ads and how a client is winning through it. Using all of these tools and properties, you can also create a high converting Google Ads search campaign for your business. In the next module, we will understand all of the basics of Google Ads and dive in depth into each setting and property. You will also be able to understand the different kinds of Google Ad campaigns and how to build out a proper keyword list for yours. See you in the next one.